Vargas. Has it over to Roland. Roland attacking the lane. Guti. Labrador flips it up. Gets the 2 points. Losing. Silver in transition. Euro. Piso. Vargas to the cutting Labrador. Gets the basket. Plus a foul on number. Labrador to the cutting Julius. Up step. Jason up again. No look. Nakabunukan natin. Second to 1. Ball. Stolen by Labrador. Labrador in transition. Scores. Silverin has the letter. Irvin put his head down. Out Roland. Pump fake. Inalapit. Attacking the lane. Left the layup is good. The closing delivery. Against Silverin. Victoriano. Top of the key. Flips it up. Off the glass is good. Pwede ba sa Ponko? Paing. Babalik yung Pendular. Still by Paul. Victoriano in transition. Kirk delivers. Rebound Victoriano. Tanking with the ball possession. Kirk. Love pass. Paul. Touch pass to Castellano. For 2. Unselfish. 10 to shoot. 3. Silvery. 10 to shoot. The pass, touch pass. Same play. Pakatitangki. Hesitates. Tutukusin. Cross court. That Eric fires. 3 points. 7-point game. Oni stops. Let's see that. Papalik sa Ponko. Stolen by Silvery. Irvin scores. Last 2 minutes. Tanki by 5. Castellano on the left wing, defended by Silvery. Saponko fires. In and out. 3-point barangay plus. Silvery. Silvery fires a 3. In and out. Rebound Darwin. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Victoriano to Saponko. 10 to shoot. Honey. 5 to shoot. Sways into the corner. Victoriano sets that 3. Oh! Rebound na kanino. Labrador clears it. Here comes Barangay Pias. Silvery gets to the cross. Irvin putting his head down. Baseline inbound. 1 minute. Keep it going. Steal. Big steal by Victoriano. 50 seconds. Linden, crossover, Castellano to Erwin, baseline jumper, no! 32 seconds, Julius, Vargas stops, Irvin, with attack, no! 22 seconds, 15, 10, 5, and off the ball game. Final score 90-88.